Hi everyone, welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing session, and we are continuing our series on body shapes. I think we are up to number 4, which means that we have 2 more, so this one plus 1. And today we will be talking about the apple shape. Now I have had a few apple shapes who have already connected with me privately, telling me that they are waiting for the video that is for them. And we finally have your video for you, so I hope that you are in the first ones to like, and if you haven't already subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time we have this good stuff, then you are well aware of it. How do you determine the apple shape? The apple shape generally has a wide midsection. So if you're apple shape, you will find that your shoulders and your hip are much smaller than your waist. Now with that shape, the first place you put on weight, unfortunately, is the midsection. The last place you lose weight, unfortunately, is the midsection. However, you do have some strength, and that's your arms, your legs, and your bust. So when you dress, these are the areas you want to highlight. Now, people always feel that apple shapes are always plus size. The truth is, apple shapes are not always plus size. We do have one example, Catherine Zeta-Jones, who is a slim apple shape. Other celebrities who fall in the category of apple shape include Queen Latifah and Melissa McCarthy. Now, for the beautiful apple shapes, we have people with 2 different mindsets. We have those who do not feel any way about drawing attention to their midsection, and then we have those who are a little bit more conscious about their midsection and would want you to look anywhere except there. We're going to talk about what garments would flatter your figure in any of those categories. Now, if I mention something that you've never tried before you throw it under the bus, at least give it a try. Let us know in the comments below how exactly it works for you before you decide whether or not you are actually going to work with it. Okay? So here are the dressing tips for the apple shaped figure. You will remember that at the start I said that your strengths are your legs, arms, and your bust. So generally you want to draw eyes to those areas. So sleeveless garments are a good option. Your necklines, low necklines are a plus. So the U-neck, the V-neck, the scoop neck, all these are different necklines that you can use. You can also draw attention to your neckline by using embellishments. So whether it is embellishments in the form of applique on your garment, or as well it might just be the jewelry that you wear, those items would draw the eyes into that area. Now for your jackets, you want jackets that are open as well as long. Jackets that go all the way down to your hip line would be exceptional on you because they will create that appearance of an elongated torso. So there are also jackets and cardigans that have this waterfall effect, almost like some drip effect to the front. That is also an excellent choice. Empire waisted dresses and blouses that flare out are a plus for you. They give the illusion that this is where your waist is, and because they open out as they go down, they are not snug on your tummy, so they are not drawing attention to that area. Now, when you wear empire waisted pieces, it's wise to have these pieces where the waistline is 2 inches wide, as well as to have waistlines that are made from elastic, because these pieces will not be too tight in that area. Now, peplum pieces will be made for the apple shape. So whether we're talking peplum dresses or peplum blouses, especially if you are not too conscious of showing out your waist, because it's going to hug right on the waistline and give this flared out effect that will create the illusion of wider hips. So peplum pieces are a plus. However, you want to be careful when selecting that peplum because all peplums are not created equal. While we are talking about highlighting your waist, using a belt that is approximately 2 inches wide smack on your waistline is also a good option because it will define your waist and actually separate the top half and the bottom half of your body. Another option is garments with ruching along the waist area. This type of garments create an illusion where one is not sure if the ruching is from the garment or from your body. So consequent to that, that's a good option. You also want to wear garments that drape because that draping effect will draw the eyes to that particular part of the garment and basically take the eyes away from your midsection. Something we mentioned before for other shapes, and we will mention it again, is color blocking. When you wear color block garments, it can be done in such a way that you create the illusion of a completely different shape. So that will work well for our apple shape beauties. And for your bottoms, the apple shape is definitely the shape that you want to wear your skinny jeans or your straight pants with because again, that is one of your strengths and you want to draw the eyes to that areas. Short skirts, short dresses, these are also plus on the apple shape. And of course, not forgetting one of the staple items we basically mentioned for all of the shapes, wrap dresses. The wrap dress again will give that silhouette look that will draw the eyes away from your tummy but give you that exceptional shape and even neckline that will just be fabulous on you. So these are some of the options that you have for dressing your apple figure, and I am sure that you will love some of them. So let us know what you think. I hope you have a great time experimenting with the different styles that we spoke about. Until next time, bye.